For this question, the order of operations is really important. So make sure when you're putting all these values into your calculator that your calculator is doing BEDMAS, or the order of operations. Not all calculators do that. So you may have to do a couple of steps in between here and in between this step and this step in order to get the right answer, and that might be what's happening here. So when you multiply this part, you might want to record the answer and then write plus and then do this part and record the answer. Not all of the pieces of this one are written out. According to the frequency table, there are some more that are in there. You should have a couple of another couple of numbers in there. I'm just looking for the numbers here, and I can fill them in for you. Okay, so we've got the 44 for the first interval, and then 62 for the second interval, and then you've got the plus dot dot dot. So in between, you're going to have 77 times interval 3, and then you remember to square that so that we get rid of all of our negatives, and then the 52 times the interval 4, and so on, and you've got to fill all those in. And so this is the very last one, the 1 times the 95 minus the mean. So if you just use, make sure, I really think that the problem here is more about BEDMAS, and that's why the answers are turning out much larger. I've double checked, and this answer, the 107,420, is correct. So if you just, with your calculator, maybe put a couple more steps in and make sure that your calculator is doing this correctly. And I think that you'll find that your answer will match the one here.